Hello you guys, how are you? So since you all know that we are locked down in our houses for a certain period of time because of this pandemic, so it's very important to take care of our health, and in order to take care of our health we should eat right. We should do some sort of physical activity. We can't go out, but we can do yoga or any sort of small exercises in our houses. But if we are not doing that, at least we should keep a mark, keep a focus on what we are eating, which is what is right and what is not. So for me, I take my complete guidance from Sarah, my dietitian from Prettislim, and I love the diet she sent me. And yeah, the recipes are so simple and they are so easy to make, and along with that they don't kill my time. I can easily take out 15 minutes and they actually fill my tummy like anything. So yeah, I call Sarah, or she calls me up every time whenever I need her help. She gives me amazing recipes to even kill my sweet tooth, to satisfy my sweet birds, and yeah, for the food and all. So today I will be making one such recipe which you all can make it at your home. It will not take much of your time. It's so easy, so simple, as well as it's very delicious. So please come along with me, and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we don't need much for this recipe. We just need some mushrooms, cheese, paneer and capsicum. If you want, you can add onions also. We need salt and oregano. So guys, I'm going to chop all these, wash them. I've already boiled the mushrooms before. I have cleaned them properly because mushroom has a lot of dust. So they are needed to be boiled before you cook them. So I've already boiled them. I'll chop them now. I'll chop the paneer, capsicum, and if you want you can add onion, and even you can add eggs if you want, but I'm not adding it. And in the spices, I am just adding oregano and the salt. If you want, you can customize it according to you. You can add chili flakes into it, or you can add some other spice, or you can chaat masala to make it a little bit chatpata, but I'm making it according to my taste. So the first and the very important step to stay healthy is to make sure that you have washed and sanitized your hands before doing any other thing. Now I will switch on my gas and I will let it get a little bit hot, like I'll check from here, and once it's hot I'll lower down the flame and will add the oil then. So guys, it's hot now, and now I will be adding a little bit of oil. This is olive oil or canola oil. You can use any one oil. So guys, while my capsicum is cooking out there, I want to tell you that taking care of your health is the foremost thing, and should be your foremost priority in life, everything after that. Because if you don't have your health, nothing will be there. And actually Prettislim helped me out like anything. When I gave up on my weight loss, Prettislim, I don't know from where I found it, but it is like a blessing for me, and I lost till now almost 25 kgs, and I am just loving the way I look now. And I think all of you should love yourself first. Keep yourself healthy, eat healthy, work out, and everything comes after that. So guys, can you see the capsicum is already done, and now I'm going to add into this my mushrooms. I little bit saute the mushroom for some time, and I add over it my paneer, and then I saute it for some time. I leave it like this. I saute it for some time.
Okay guys, I just forgot. If you want, you can add broccoli also into it, which I forgot that time. So I'm adding it right now. So guys, I'm adding the broccoli. I have washed the broccoli properly. I have chopped it down to the size which I want. You can chop it according to your requirement, which size you love, which you prefer. And I will just mix it properly and I will leave it for 5 minutes. So guys, can you see the broccoli has become so soft? Like I can see that and I can smell it. Can you see? And everything is properly cooked here. Nothing is left uncooked. So what I will do is now I will add some salt into it. Little bit of salt according to your taste. Let's add some salt. You can use your fingers as well as you can use a spoon. So the last step is adding cheese. So I'm putting cheese slices over it. You can put as much cheese slice as you want. I'm putting 3 and you can put like n number of cheese slices over it, as more, as much cheesy as you want. Put it over it like this. Add some oregano on the top of the cheese. I do that, this is the last step because I don't want the flavor of the oregano to just vaporize along with the vegetables. So, and I'll cover it for some time and make sure that the flame is below. I've kept it for 1 minute. Let's see how it looks. It's all melted. If you want, you can just pour it like this directly into your plate, or you can even just mix the entire cheese with all the veggies and then pour it. Okay guys, now I'm going to eat it right away. And yeah, this is a piece of mushroom. It's yum. You can always add in what you want according to your taste buds. It's perfect according to mine. So yeah, go make such healthy dishes out, stay healthy and stay fit. Bye bye.